had a look, and I don't know if we can get that video from Tulsa, from west of Tulsa earlier today, of a tornado that was, if not wrapped in rain, at least largely shrouded by rain, and it was not very well defined at all, and that can often be the case. That's a really good reason why you don't want to go outside when you get a tornado warning. You don't want to, I think it's a lot of people's instinct is to run outside and see what's going on and try to figure out if there's one coming.
Tornado.
Sometimes you cannot see
Well, look at that.
a tornado
It's
coming.
more Oklahoma tornado spotted on the ground. Damage.
Profile and show you what's going on with the front right now. And so here is what has been triggering all this. You've got this warm air coming up from the south. Temperatures made it up into the 80s today. This cold front sliding southward, and the storm right along the intersection of that warm and cold air and also drier air coming in from the southwest. Now, obviously, as you lose the heating of the day, your atmosphere is not going to be as buoyant. Thunderstorms are not going to be as likely to rise. You can't get tornadoes as you move into the evening, but you really need a very dynamic situation in order to get that, and this is not quite that. So,
and we are seeing these storms break apart even more and more in the last, I'd say, 15 minutes.
Yeah, they're not as vigorous as they were earlier. They're going to begin to take on more of a linear configuration. That's often the case when you see thunderstorms sort of grouped together. They begin to put out that cool air that we've all felt as the thunderstorm is coming up, and then what the thunderstorms will do is they'll pool that cool air, and new storms will fire along the leading edge. That's when it becomes a line of storms, and so we're expecting more of a linear configuration along these fronts. So severe thunderstorm watches now in effect, Oklahoma, northern Arkansas, and then over into the intersection of the Mississippi and Ohio rivers, that going until 2 o'clock in the morning. And we've also got a flash flood threat because you notice the line here is not really moving all that much. You've got thunderstorms that are coming across and moving off to the north and east, but the line itself is only very slowly coming.
And look at all those whinings.
Lightning, wow.
Tremendous lightning. Maybe we could zoom in and query some of that, Sarah, and take a look at some of the lightning here in Oklahoma, which is now for the most part past Oklahoma City. Still maybe the far southern exurbs getting in on some of that. You've got plenty of lightning. I mean, look at that.
Yeah.
Right around Tulsa there. Highly electrical storms now just south and east of 44. 300 strikes or nearly so in the last 15 minutes. And keep in mind, folks, even once the threat appears to have passed, once the wind is calming down, rain is calming down, the lightning can still be tremendous in these storms on the backside of the storms. And in fact, that's when a lot of people get struck by lightning.
Hold on, Mom.
Pick up their property,
2,000
vehicles, that kind of thing.
Seems like it's okay at that time.
We're taking a live look now at Tulsa, and we do have some images to show you from earlier this evening out of the Tulsa airport as well, where we know that people were, in fact, taking shelter. So we'll bring that picture to you right now. And what a chaotic scene I'm sure that was, although the airport, a relatively safe place to be. In general, a lot of times tornadoes are used as airports are used as tornado shelters.
Yeah, any of those, bigger, stronger buildings, whether it's schools, that kind of thing. Right. Although, as we have seen, and this was actually the case in Moore, Oklahoma in 2013, even schools can be destroyed by the strongest of tornadoes. So there's your ongoing severe weather threat, still highly electrical storms, and a flash flood threat and wind and hail threat continues. We'll talk much more about this on the other side of the break. Stay with us.